Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the block caller option missing on iPhone. So if you open a recent call, tap the info button, scroll down, and you don't see block this caller, don't worry. I'm going to show you different ways to fix it step by step. Right now, I'm showing this in real time on my iPhone, so you can follow the same steps with me. Now let's start. Solution 1. Force close the phone app. First, I'm going to refresh the phone app. I swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle. Now I find the phone app. I swipe it up to force close it. Now I open the phone app again. I go to Recents. Now I tap the info button next to the number. I scroll down and check if block this caller appears. Sometimes the option disappears because of a small app glitch, and force closing the phone app can bring it back. Solution 2. Restart your iPhone. If the option is still missing, now I'm restarting the iPhone. I press and hold the side button and volume button together. Now I slide to power off. I wait a few seconds. Then I turn the iPhone back on. After restart, I open the phone app again. I tap Recents. I tap the info button next to the caller. Now I check if the block this caller option is showing. Restarting clears temporary iOS glitches. Solution 3. Use blocked contacts from settings. If the block option is missing inside the phone app, I can still block the number from settings. I open Settings. Now I scroll down and tap Apps. Then I tap Phone. Now I tap Blocked Contacts. Here I tap Add New. Now I select the contact I want to block. This is the best workaround if the button is missing from the call detail screen. But remember, this method works best when the number is saved as a contact. So if the number is not saved, save it first, then add it to Blocked Contacts. Solution 4. Check screen time restrictions. Now I'm checking if screen time restrictions are blocking changes. I open Settings. Now I tap Screen Time. Then I tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. If this is turned on, some settings may be restricted. Now I check settings related to contacts and account changes. Make sure contacts are allowed and not blocked. If restrictions are enabled by a parent, school, or workplace, you may not be able to change caller blocking settings until restrictions are removed. Solution 5. Check VPN and device management profile. If this is a work iPhone, school iPhone, or managed device, a profile may be controlling phone settings. So I open Settings. Now I tap General. Then I scroll down and tap VPN and device management. If I see a management profile here, it means this iPhone may be controlled by a company, school, or organization. In that case, the block caller option may be disabled by policy. You may need to contact your IT admin or remove the profile if it belongs to you. Solution 6. iPhone SE workaround. Now, if you are using iPhone SE 3rd generation with iOS 16 or iOS 17, some users have reported a small bug. Here's the workaround. Open the phone app. Go to Recents. Tap the info button next to the number. Now close the phone app completely. Open the phone app again. Go back to the same number and tap the info button again. Now scroll down and check if block this caller appears. This is not a permanent fix, but it can help when the menu does not load properly. Solution 7. Update iOS. Now I'm checking for an iOS update. I open Settings. Then I tap General. Now I tap Software Update. If an update is available, install it. Sometimes missing options happen because of iOS bugs, and Apple usually fixes these issues in newer updates. Solution 8. Save the number as a contact first. If the number is not showing the block option, try saving it as a contact. I open the phone app. I tap the info button next to the number. Now I tap Create New Contact or Add to Existing Contact. After saving it, I go back to Settings. Then scroll all the way to Apps and choose Phone in this app's list. Now, next look at the blocked contact setting. Then I tap Add New and select that contact from the list. This lets me block the number even if the normal block option is missing. If none of these solutions work, your iPhone may have restrictions from screen time, a work profile, or a temporary iOS bug. In that case, contact Apple support or check if your device is managed by a company or school. That's it. If this video helped you, comment "blocked" below. If the block caller option is still missing, Tell me your iPhone model and iOS version in the comments, and I'll try to help you. Thanks for watching.